Hey guys, it's Brooke from Hayes Humble Homestead, and I totally forgot I have chicks coming tomorrow. So I'm making magic water real quick, and I wanted to show you guys a great trick if you don't know how to do this. It's super helpful for your chicks. All magic water is a much healthier version of those little packets that you can pick up and you can give your chicks. It's basically an electrolyte boost for them. Helps if they've been shipped to you. I know if you're getting a large quantity of chicks, chances are you're probably having them shipped. Maybe you're picking them up at your local farm supply store. Either way, this will be super helpful. I highly suggest it. All magic water is warm water. Use a filtered water if you have it. These are just 1-gallon jars. We're gonna use honey. It's half a cup of honey in each 1-gallon jar. I have garlic. We're gonna do 2 to 3 cloves, depending upon how big they are. I'll put those in there. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in each jar again. And then our secret ingredient around here is oregano oil. So oregano is really, really good for all of your poultry. You can just drop 1 drop of essential oil into your waters. And that's what I'm gonna do. So 1 drop is enough for a gallon. If we're filling like a 5-gallon bucket, usually we'll do 4 or 5 drops. If you have a particular bird who needs a little bit more, you can dilute it and use it directly, but it's super easy to just put in the water and it's amazing for them. So since we started doing that, really we've cut down on any respiratory issues. We don't have them anymore. So magic water, here we go. And then this is gonna sit, you're gonna use warm water. It's gonna sit overnight. That's why I needed to do it now so that it is really infused and great for the chicks when they arrive in the morning. And that's it. Just leave it on the counter and you are good to go. It gives them a great boost and gets them going right. I'm gonna stir these guys up real good, and then I am going to top the rest of the way with water, and I'm gonna leave them on the counter until I get a call for chicks tomorrow, and then we will put them out. We have the brooders ready to go. I'll put it out there, and the chicks will have a great kickstart, just a little helping hand.